So this is the brand new Realme UI 7 update for the Realme P4 Pro. We get the full flagship version with blur and animations. So before starting, please like this video to show your support. So going in the settings and about device, you can check out the update version. Is the Realme UI 7 closed beta. The Android version is the latest 16, so that's pretty good. The immediate UI change you can notice is the frosted glass effect like the iOS 26. Going in the launcher settings, you can enable or disable the effect from here, and this is how it looks without the frosted glass. Very plain, so I'll definitely recommend keeping it on for the best experience. Now in the quick toggles, we can still select between classic and split, and they also feature the glass effect. And while you can still disable it, however, it looks pretty boring this way. I personally prefer the classic one the best. You can even change the toggle shape, but the glass effect won't work on them. Now the biggest highlight with these updates is definitely the lock screen and home screen customization. I've already created my own set of different themes, and this is how it looks. Very satisfying animation. You can check all the different themes here. The old ones are hidden by default at the bottom. Just choose one like this, and then you can customize this as you want. We can now even add widgets here to give it some new flavor to our lock screen. This is another theme I made with a custom wallpaper, and I'm really liking it. The icons also got revamped, and now apart from the default colorful ones, we can choose the new flux icon pack to match the system colors, adjust its roundness, and even choose color of our choice for deep customization. Also, to fully enjoy the lock screen look, make sure to choose number style for notifications, as the list one ruins the whole theme look, while the numbers one can be shown or hidden as per choice. And these are the wallpapers collections we get with the new Realme UI 7 ones at the top. Now in the settings, we get the dedicated AI menu to showcase various AI features on device, like this AI Translate for example. You can download the language pack of your choice like I'm doing here for English to Hindi. Now in the Translate app, open the live option, and now you can speak in English and it will automatically translate in Hindi in real time, which is very good for live conversation, especially while traveling. Now in the gesture settings, there's this new swipe animations. By default, back gesture does not have any animation, but after enabling this, we get a peek in the background app and also a nice back animation, which is quite satisfying. Now I also ran Antutu benchmark after the update to check its performance, and the 1.3 million score was quite surprising. The storage test is equally impressive too. And the 1.3 million is actually a marginal jump from 1 million that we got on the Realme UI 6. The app opening and closing animations are stutter-free and very smooth. Also, the multitasking and app switching is equally impressive. I don't know if it was there before, but this new power of quick toggle is quite useful as it can definitely prolong your physical button's life. Now coming to the battery performance, in my usage I got average 6 hours screen on time, and that also from 90% to more than 20%. So you can even get 8 hours plus if you charge it to 100. I use the phone mostly on Wi-Fi and no 5G, Hyper AI HDR on for videos, auto refresh rate up to 120Hz, and dark mode on after sunset. Let me show you the new game assistant while playing BGMI. So this is how it looks. Let me turn on the GT mode. You can see its new animation. This is the new system status for FPS, GPU and CPU. All the other advanced options are still there if you need them. So running the game on Smooth and Extreme Plus, the performance is actually really smooth and you get constant 89 to 90 FPS. No issues even if you are a competitive player, as GT mode has various esports options. You now get live alerts for YouTube app in addition to the already YouTube music. And also for all the delivery apps, the live alerts are more polished than before, and you can actually see the time to delivery all the time, which is actually really helpful. So that was the new Realme UI 7 beta update. Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.